Hello, friends. My name is Rajat Sharma, and I'm a graduate in chemical engineering from IIT Delhi, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. And I welcome you all to this new video lecture series on physics, and in which I'll be covering a lot of different topics. So, this is the first video, so I'll be just giving a brief introduction of about general comments about this video series, the syllabus that I'll be following, and my methodology, my approach to teaching. So as far as the syllabus is concerned, I'll be following the CBSE syllabus, which is pretty comprehensive and I think systematic. And by following the CBSE syllabus, I'll be able to touch all the important topics, all the important concepts that you hear in your day-to-day life. And as far as the methodology is concerned, the methodology is very simple. I'll be introducing you to the theory, and side by side I'll be solving questions, solving numericals, because I feel that solving numericals is the easiest way to understand the concept. If I go too deep into theory, then after some time you start losing the interest. So it's always better to keep the right balance. And also, people who are preparing for competitions like engineering entrance or medical entrance or scholarship examinations like NTSC, KVPY, or the Olympiads, regional Olympiad, national and international Olympiad, they require, they should have a very good base in problem solving. Theory is just not sufficient. So I hope that the questions, numericals that I'll be solving here, by those numericals will be helpful to all the different groups of people. And one more important point is that please do not think that this video lecture series is specifically for students or teenagers. No, this is meant for everybody. There are many people who, they have studied physics sometime in the past, and they're just out of touch with the subject. So this video lecture series is meant for them also, so that they get back in touch with the subject. So having said that, just to summarize, this video lecture series is for everyone. Please benefit as much as you can, and this video series is totally free of cost, so no need to worry about money. And I'll be following CBSE syllabus. My style will be that I'll be giving you a brief theory, and then I'll be solving questions so that you get a better understanding of the application of the concepts. And just to give you the course outline, the basic outline, so you get an idea, you get a feel. This is especially for people who are based outside of India. So the CBSE syllabus is as follows. This is for uh, class 11th and class 12th. I don't know, the pen is not working properly, but don't worry, I'll take care of it. Yeah, the topics are units and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion, work energy power, rotational, gravitation, solid and liquid, thermodynamics, oscillation and waves, electrostatics, electric current, magnetic effect of current, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic wave, magnetic materials, ray optics, wave optics, dual nature of radiation, atoms, nuclear energy, semiconductor, and communication system. So it's a pretty comprehensive syllabus, pretty comprehensive curriculum, and I hope to cover it as comprehensively as possible, and I hope that most of you get benefited from it. Okay, so this was the first video, just an introduction. Again, my name is Rajat Sharma, BTech from IIT Delhi, and I'll be your teacher, your lecturer for the next, let's see how many lectures I'm able to make. And okay, so let's meet in the next video where we'll start with the new topic. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.